Playing for the opponent tonight. We are off and running at the Garden for the first time.
I mean, it just depends on how many. It just depends on. That's a nice play by KJ Martin. It just depends. It's funny.
There's Brown. Ooh, in his bag. No looks at Holiday, the lefty finish.
Yeah, great pass, and I love Holiday working that baseline.
That's a good finish.
I watched him in college a couple times.
Holiday with good position ends up with Tatum. Single digits on the timer. Cornette that time rejected by Adembona. Gets it back +1. He has performed well against the Celtics in the preseason before. Missed that jumper. Martin with the save. Tatum the swipe and the stuff.
Guys are all over the place. Even when you get the offensive rebound.
He takes a seat, gets a round of applause. Xavier Tillman replaces him for the Celtics. There's Brown in the post. And he is on the board. Fadeaway Jay says too small. Tatum spins past Justin Edwards. Rough start for him. Here's Tillman. That's good.
Flying all over the place.
5 rebounds for Jalen, by the way. Into the post. Welcome to the league, rookie. Takes him to the weight room. And Tatum lost the rock.
Back turnovers.
And there's Council with 2 hands. Quinones launches a 3 and knocks it down. White on the bouncer. Tillman kicks it. Tatum left all alone. 3-pointer swirls out. White's got the O board. Tatum tries it again, and this time he drills it.
Tatum going for that quick 2-for-1.
Yes, he is. Go in a hurry. Nails it plus the 5. A chance at 4 for Jason Tatum.
Each one of them is really important.
Under 5 seconds left in the first quarter. Corner 3 from White is good. The assist to Jason Tatum. And this.
There's a lot of Celtics on that one.
It's all good.
Yeah, I will say this: it's not like I feel like Philadelphia competed. A little older now, I guess.
I think he's saving that for the regular season. Hauser knocks it through.
Good pass by Pritchard.
He's saving the smoke for the regular season. Hauser again. Bullseye. That's barely touching the net.
That's Pleasantville right there. Like, that's crazy.
He's got some speed in transition, man.
And he's a physical offensive player.
Some good reaction beams from Nick Nurse tonight.
No question.
There's Quinones. A no-look feed, Yabusele, who peeps the timer. 3 to shoot. Edwards has to let it go, and he scores. Pritchard at the wheel for this second unit. 5 minutes into the second quarter, Celtics by 24. Pritchard floats it. There it is.
That's perfect timing. Chill. I'll be here chilling.
You and me both, partner. There's Mintz with a rebound.
Martin flying. Jeez.
He's got some serious giddy-up.
Hey, can you imagine just...
It's a chance for Nick Nurse to get a peek at some guys who can maybe fill out the rotation during the season, including Yabusele.
Oh, here's the matchup.
There it is. The key matchup, and Yabusele scores. Celtics is down and slow to get up. Tatum on Mintz. Big size advantage. Holiday back to a cut. It was a win.
I know our producer and director were like, I hope it's not overtime.
Oh, no. He made it. Oh, Luke Cornette. How do you leave him alone?
Showing off that left hand now.
White attacks. Bona got his hand on it. There's Council. Martin way upstairs. Almost did a chin-up on the rim.
Philadelphia group can play with some energy.
They're connected to a couple of these guys played a lot together in the G League. Bouton and Council especially. Brown knocks down the corner trip.
Philly goes out in a 2-3 zone.
It's per 100 possessions, by the way. So the Celtics outscoring opponents by almost 60 points per 100 possessions when Jane Springer was out there. It's a deep 3 from Council. Plays college ball at Wichita State and Arkansas. There's White. Can't answer. Cornette tapped that straight to Holiday. He says, give it. It's a rebound for Tatum. He's got 7 of them to go with 11 points and 4 dimes. Holiday from straight away.
He is so dangerous
In the first half. There's McCain. Tatum got a piece. Brown running the floor. Pritchard is starting the third quarter, but JB does it himself.
Yeah, tweet at him.
Drew DLE 2-5.
There you go.
It's got me this far. Jaylen Brown is in control.
It's amazing. Like, when you watch. Yeah, he's on a whole nother level. like, you know, some people just go back and hang out with their friends. He has a different level.
30-point lead, 4 minutes into the third quarter. Here's McCain. Is on the dribble drive. Nice reverse.
But even that.
Last year's team is going to make them even more connected this year than they were last year.
Well, when I say connected, I mean like the rotations and stuff like that. You know what I mean? I don't mean friends.
No, but that's what I'm asking. White fouls McCain, +1. Great find from Tillman. Walker waits, shoots. Missed the triple. Hauser the offensive rebound. Might have taken it from his own teammate Kata. Pritchard way outside for 3.
Snapping the net. Dangerous weapon, knocking down threes off offensive rebounds.
Yeah, Brusele on the flyby. Martin gets way upstairs.
It's a nice pass by.
Oh, Hauser. Oh, Hauser. The game looks good.
Yeah, I like him.
You think we'll get some run for them? Takes him to the left side.
Wow, he was way above the square.
Yeah, he caught that at the apex. Hauser, catch, release, score. 2 minutes left in the third. Hauser to Walker for 3. Yes, sir.
Good drive to the middle. Good see.
Pritchard called for it. He'll run the break. He'll pull up from well beyond the arc and miss the 3. Got his own. Finds Walker for 2.
Great hustle.
Walsh hits the 3.
That looked nice. And then he kept going, and look where he's at now. And, you know, good contracts, valuable contract. Oh, big block.
There's Walker. And then Max Fiedler cleaned it up. Fiedler's got the rebound. He's been active since coming in. Oh! Kane high off glass. Over the top at Davis.
And Kata has 4. We got 30 points from our bigs not named Porzingis and Horford. That's insane. He did it in the first quarter against Jaylen Brown. That's impressive.
Walker drops it. Skapincev the finish, and all the centers are scoring tonight. Well, I saw it from a distance. I'm like, maybe he got that.
Maybe.
Exclusive. There's Mintz. Oh, they're doing the wave.
Oh, yeah, that's a thing now.
Mobley hits the 3.
Trying to get a layup, right? And then based on what the defense does, then you make adjustments for it, just like that. And by the way, you can't get point.
Ooh, Tucker drains a 3.
He's got a nice shot as well. So he's throwing to some NFL receivers, right? Come on.
In Aurora, Nebraska, I'm not sure.
He's not throwing to you and I'm telling you right now.
I don't know.
Oh, that's a hook.
Good finish.
My man Tommy Heinsohn would have been. Well, I learned style. I don't know anything about Philadelphia, so I didn't learn anything about Philly today. Except McCain is a baller. But I also learned that he can shoot it.
Here's the number that matters tonight. 50. That's what the Celtics beat the Sixers by in their first game at the Garden of the season.